Hey guys, today we're going to talk about one of our most frequently asked questions. Can I afford a home in Tampa Bay for the median price point of $415,000?
So we're going to look at all of the key considerations that go into buying a home in the Tampa Bay market and give you guys a price estimate for each consideration. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
Considering that we have a home at the median price, like you said, of $415,000, a 7% interest rate, and an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment.
What I would like to know is what are my out-of-pocket costs? So what would my down payment be, closing costs, and any other fees that I would have to pay for?
Right, so assuming that you have an FHA mortgage, your down payment is going to be about 3.5% of your purchase price. So around $14,525,000.
Okay, so can you help me understand more about what kind of closing costs I would be paying?
Sure, so your closing costs are going to be around 3 to 4% of your purchase price. It's going to include things like your title search and your survey search. You also are going to have inspection costs to deal with. That's going to be around $400 to $800 depending on the square footage of your home.
Okay, and is it true that the sellers will sometimes help pay for your closing costs?
Yes, it is true. So we can always ask the sellers for some concessions. So that's just money back at closing to do things like cover closing costs.
So the interest rate does seem kind of high. So how does that, what are your recommendations for the interest rate?
So we always say here, we want to date the rate and marry the house. So that means that we can always refinance for a lower interest rate once those rates do go down, and that will bring down your monthly payment as well.
Oh, I like that. So that was my out-of-pocket for closing costs when I'm ready to make the purchase. But what would my monthly average payment be?
At a 7% interest rate right now with a home price of $415,000, your average monthly payment will be around $3,400. Like I said, you could always refinance, and with that lower rate, then your monthly payment will go down.
Okay.
Here's a breakdown of what your monthly mortgage payments would be.
This is an example of what a $400,000 new construction home looks like in the Tampa Bay area.
Well, this is great because at the end of the day, you're paying a mortgage to your landlord or to yourself.
Well, there you have it, guys. If you want to see any other breakdowns for any other price points, please feel free to reach out. I am a licensed realtor and will be happy to help out.
Thank you for watching Yellow Chair Chat. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye.